Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to create the stories in your gallery with the Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to gallery here, and on the down here you have a picture album, and of course there is the stories. So click on the three dots here, create story, name the story, create it, and choose the image with us attached these stories. Done. And as you see, your stories is now created with some music. Yeah, that's right. And as you see, your story is already here. It's created. So that's all about the stories. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!